Hello guys, welcome back to the Escapades. So as promised, I'm going to give you an overview of Kagumo right here in Kirinyaga County. As you can see right now, we are at Kabonge Senior School. On the road that you see right there, it's the road coming from Karatina, where we have just come from. So we are going to enter into Kagumo Town, in Kirinyaga County, not to be confused with Kagumo in Nyeri County. So I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So let's do this. Hello and welcome back to the Escapades. In today's video, we are in Kagumo Town, a bustling commercial town in Kirinyaga Central constituency in Kirinyaga County. It is situated along the Kirogoya-Karatina Highway in Mutila Ward. Kagumo Town is located 6.4 kilometers from Kirogoya and 13.9 kilometers from Karatina Town in Nyeri County and 130 kilometers from Nairobi City. Kagumo Town is a vibrant business center, particularly on its market days, which are on Wednesday and Saturdays. The town has underwent an infrastructure facelift as by installation of 10,000 square meters of cobble paving done all over the town over the past few years, making the town stand out. The town has small and big-scale traders scattered all over the area. Despite having a population of less than 100,000 people, the town has attracted big brand supermarkets such as the County Supermarket, which has become a lifeline of the residents of the area. Due to favorable climatic conditions, the area dairy farming and poultry farming is also widely practiced, and the community is supported by the fact that just a few kilometers away they can easily get feeds for their animals from notable brands such as Joy Millers, Spencer Millers, and Nice City Millers, who produce high quality animal feeds in large quantities. materializing number of opportunities in the area. Establishment of high-rise apartment for both business and accommodation has grown over the years, hence showing the trust investors have in this small town in the middle of Kirinyaga County. When it comes to healthcare, the area has a number of health facilities, both private and faith-based establishments, to help the resident get medical attention. Significantly, Kagumo Town is a key tea and coffee growing hub in its outskirts of Kangaita Town, Karaine Village, Mutira Village, and many more villages dotted around the town. Hence, due to these key economic activities, it has led to establishment of key factories that have made the town a key national player in the country's economy. Within the area, key factories and farmers cooperatives such as Kagumo Coffee Factory, Kangaita Tea Factory, and Mutira Farmers Cooperative Societies have enabled to enhance job creation to the resident and also outsiders. Kagumo is quite chilly due to its closeness to Mount Kenya, and thus its proximity to the mountain enables it to enjoy substantial amount of rainfall throughout the year. So that's a lap on the Kagumo vlog. I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. And in case you have any other suggestions of a town or a city I should visit next, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll be ready and happy to explore the city in the coming videos. So until next time guys, goodbye.